Managing content in AudioLogger is about as easy as it can be. Once you identify a segment that you want to save, just mark the in and out points. I'll show you how. Now in this case, I want to mark the start and end points of the information segment on this radio station in San Francisco, KBLX. It starts right here. See where it says the new Kimmy T slogan? That's where the audio segment begins. And I'm going to play it just to make sure I'm in the right spot. Okay, that's where it starts right there, the best throwbacks in R&B. So I'm going to mark a start point there by clicking on Set Start of Selection. Okay, now, if I want to make sure I get it just right, you can also scrub it. Go up to the entry point and you can move it back or forward in microseconds like this. Okay, right there is exactly the start point. Now I'm going to look ahead here and see where the next element occurs, and that looks like it's this $1,000 minute promo right here. So I'm going to go to that spot, and I'm going to mark the end point. Okay, so now the color changes from gray to red, and that's the part that's planning to export. But I want to fine-tune the end point too to make sure I get it scrubbed. Okay. So now I have the start and end points marked. What can I do with the audio? I'm going to go down here to the export button right here. And I have several options. I can download it, open it in the editor, send it by email, or convert audio to video. For this purpose, we just want to download the audio. We just want to export it to a file. So I'm going to click Download File. And just like that, it's done. It's going to show up on my desktop. I can name it anything I want. I'm going to call it the hit list on KBLX today. And I will throw that into my downloads and save it right there on my desktop. Now I've got the audio on my desktop to use any way I want. Couldn't be easier. Now there's other options as well. Let's go back and mark the start and end point again, since we know exactly where those things are. So I've marked the start and end. Now I want to open it in the AudioLogger editor, which is embedded right inside the program. Really convenient. So it's going to bring my selection into the editor, and now you can see all the options. Once I've made the adjustments, I just go to the top and click on Save. Now I can export it, download it directly into a file. Couldn't be easier. So that's how you edit and export in AudioLogger.